Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be doing BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 17. BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 17. When electric current is passed through an electric motor, dash happens. When electric current is passed through an electric motor, dash happens. A. The coil rotates. B. The coil rotates. C. The accumulator rotates. And D. The magnet vibrates. Now, before we pick our answer, I would like us to understand that an electric motor is an instrument that converts electricity to motion. That is, it converts electricity to mechanical energy. And now, how does it do this? It does this through the help of a magnet. Through the help of a magnet. So definitely, when you pass a current through an electric motor, the first thing that happens is that this current gets to the magnetic field, thereby creating an electromagnetic field. So when this current get to the magnet, what happens? It causes the magnet to vibrate. The magnet initially vibrates, and due to this vibration of the magnet, the magnet now causes the coil to rotate. But from the question here, the question says is when electric current is passed through an electric motor, the first thing that happens is that the magnet does the magnet vibrates. So from this, you see that it's after the vibration of the magnet that the coil rotates. So our answer here is D, which is the magnet vibrates. Thank you very much, and please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.